entrepreneurs, welcome to my channel and thank you for always being here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all something extremely exciting: how to add products to your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or you're planning on leveling up your Shopify store, this video has tips and tricks on how you can achieve that. If this is your first time on my channel, hello. Welcome to my channel, and on this channel we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money from the online space, and how you can build wealth. If this sounds interesting to you, then you want to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on subsequent videos on how you can earn money from the online space. Welcome back and thank you for your loyalty. If you haven't watched this video right here, make sure you go over there, watch that video so you will know how to create your Shopify store, and then you can go ahead to add products like what we are doing today. So, to be able to add products to your Shopify store, you need to first of all create your Shopify store. If you have a Shopify store, great. You can follow up on this video right now. But if not, go to the comment section or to the description box and click on that link right there. Watch that video and create your Shopify store in less than 5 minutes. All right, when you're done creating your shop, you can come back here, follow up on this video, and add product on your Shopify store and start earning money for yourself. Now, to add products to your Shopify store, we're going to use two different methods to do that. The first one, we're going to add your own product to your shop, and secondly, we're going to use a drop shipping company to add products to your Shopify store. So firstly, let's go ahead and add our own product to our store. Click right here on product. Click right here on add product on the right top hand side of your screen. Right here, you want to put in the title of the product you're about to upload. We want to take a sample of pajamas. So write in your title right there. And then you want to write in the description of the product you're about to upload. Now, you want to put in a description like the material you used on the product, and you want to include your purchase item, the dimension, the size, the benefit, all your shipping information. Also, you want to include your unique selling point, what we call the market USP. Include your brand voice and everything that will make this product stand out in the market. And you also want to let your customers know why they should prefer your product over the products of your competitors. So when you are done, you can now move to the next level to upload the image of the product you're about to sell on your Shopify store. So click right here on upload image. Give it time for your image to upload because this is very important. This is what will attract your customers to your store. The physical look of what you are selling. Now, when the product is uploaded, then you can now go further to put in the price of the product. Now, you want to be very strategic in putting your price. So right here where you see compare, what you have to do is to put in a price like, let's say, for example, you put in 10,000. This simply means that this is the original price of the product. Then here at price, you can now put in the price you want to sell to them. This is in the case where you want your customers to know that you are giving them like a giveaway for shopping with you for the first time. And then right here, you have to put in the cost per unit of your product. Now let's put in something like 6,000 Naira. Now, when you put in the 6,000 Naira, it's going to give you your profit and the margin. Now, you can actually set your Shopify store to whatever currency you want, but I choose Naira. You can do it in dollars if you want it to be a universal Shopify account. So now you have your profit and your margin. Then you go ahead to fill in the rest of the information, which is not really important, but important to you and your shop. All right. And then right here, you want to put in the weight of the product. All right, because even though you're doing a giveaway of 7,000, maybe their next buy, they will need to know how much it weighs, so they will know how much to pay. So right here on category, you want to put in the color, the age group, the size, the clothing features, and your target. So it's as simple as that. Just make sure you follow the instructions, fill in everything that is needed of you. When you're done, you click on save. Now the product is going to save into your Shopify shop. And right here you can see added, so you can scroll through it to see if this is exactly what you want to sell, if the information you put right here is the information of the product you want to upload. So just take a glance through what you've done, and then if you have any correction, you can do that. Amazing, right? So it's as easy as that to add your own products to your Shopify store. But in case you do not have products but you want to sell, the purpose for you creating your Shopify store is to drop ship, then you want to add products to your shop using drop shipping companies. Now, one thing you should not bother about when you're selecting a dropshipping company to use is their location, because wherever they are, they will definitely ship your product to your clients, and you do not know where your clients would come from. Some will come from China, some will come from Europe, some will come from America, some will come from Africa. And drop shipping, you don't need to bother about where the company comes from, because you can be here in Cameroon and you sell your products in Nigeria, you sell your products in the US, you sell your products in China, or anywhere across the globe. So just make sure you're comfortable with the terms and conditions of the drop shipping company. As for me, I am comfortable using AliExpress and CJ drop shipping. Now let's go into how you can add this product to your shop. Click right here on apps to get started. Right here we have build your store. I have a video on this channel on how you can use build your store to create your Shopify account in less than 10 minutes. Go try that out. Now I use CJ Dropshipping, I use AliExpress and Zendrop to add products to my Shopify store, but there are other dropshipping companies you can use, so you can try any of them by coming right here to click on all recommended. These are the apps that are recommended or associated with Shopify that you can install and start adding products to your store. So you can try any of them, install, and start using. Now, let's go back to the dropshipping companies I'm using, try them to add product to our store. So come back here to apps. Let's start up with CJ Dropshipping. So right here is a CJ Dropshipping account, and at the left hand side you can see different product. We have here on the left hand side, so you can take a look at them, which of the product you want to use. Then you can scroll downward here and see trending product. If you scroll through your main page, when you go to your CJ Dropshipping, you would see this trending product, you would see new product and other products that are advertised by CJ Dropshipping. Now let's get started. If you see a product you want, click right here where you see list, click on it. It's gonna open up to a page like this where you would see product, you would see variant pricing, you would see image and videos, and you also see description. Now on this page, you don't need to fill in anything. So right here on variant pricing or description, we already have a description that this CJ Dropshipping company already has for this product, but you can take a look at it. Right here we have the product in two colors, white and black. Right here we have the full images that you can take a look at the images. And then here on variant prices, this is where you have to adjust the price so you would have your own commission. Now the most important thing you have to fill here is the price. All right, so you can come right here below and then you see the cost per unit, you see the sizes that are available for the product, and then you see the estimated prices. You also see CJ's price and the shipping fee. Now you have the total, and what you have to do is to put in the price you want to sell on your own platform. The easier way to go about it is to click right here on recommended listing price, and then CJ Dropshipping will automatically update a price they expect you or that you can sell this product. Now sometimes these prices are ridiculously high, so what you have to do is to come to the prices. If you're not comfortable with it, you reduce the prices. Why am I doing this? You are just starting up your shop and you want to have as much customers as possible, so you want to make sure even though it's a new account, you can also sell. So when you feel that you're done, click on list in new. Now you give it time, it's gonna upload. Right here, listed successfully into your account. Let's go back and pick and select another product. So right here, let's go to men's clothes and select any of them that you wish. We are just taking this as an example, or maybe you're not even doing clothes, maybe you're doing electronics. All right, so just go through and select any product right here you want. Like this one, you click right there on list. It's going to open up this page right here, and like I said earlier, the most important thing to fill in here is the price, because you want to sell in a price that you will have your own commission. All right, description is okay, image and video okay. Right here, just come over here, click on recommended listing price. All right, or you can come here and fill in your own price, but it is easier to click on recommended listing price. All right, but before doing this, you need to put in mind that you have a new shop and you want to sell as quick as possible or have quick turnover. So when you have the prices recommended by CJ, just edit it and you click on list it now. Give it time, and now it is successful in our account or in our drop shipping store. So it is as easy as that to add product to your account. We're going to take a look at the product in our Shopify store. All right, so you can go over this process 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. It all depends on you. To check if the process was successful, click right here on product, and then you go through your existing products to see if you would see any of the product we added to our store. Remember, we're not going to go through our store because we have a lot of products. If we see one, then the process was successful. Right here, this is one of the first products from CJ Dropshipping. So just click on it and it's going to open up. You're going to see the details of the product. Like I said, there was no need for the description because CJ Dropshipping already has everything written out. Now here is our product, two different colors, and then you can scroll down to the price. All right, we have black, we have the sizes L, M, S, X. We also have the pricing right here. Now there is another way you can find out if your products have been added. So just go to store. So just click right there, and this is our Shopify store. This is the version that customers would see from their end. Right, we already have amazing products right here. So what you do is scroll through. Right here where it says view all, click on it, and it's gonna open a broader page of our product. Now just go through to see if we can find any of the product. You can go to the next page. We won't take a lot of time, so if we see just one, it's just for illustration. We're going to leave it at that because we don't want to spend our whole day right here. We have live sessions every Saturday on how you can create your dropshipping account, how you can add products, and also we're going to have question and answers if you have a question or worry on any of the topics. So you can come right there, join us, and we go through. Now click to the next page. And here we have our first product. It's right here. So just click on the product and it's going to open like this. This is what our customers will see. So they can scroll down if they're ready to purchase this product and click right there on add to cart or buy it now. So it's as simple as this to get products to your Shopify store. Just make sure you get a drop shipping company that you're comfortable with the terms and conditions. All right, so we have amazing products here. You can also shop from my store, and if you have any question, any worry, just drop it on the comment section and I'll be right there to respond to you. Amazing, right? So with drop shipping, you can actually have a supermarket online and sell anywhere across the globe and earn money for yourself. You don't need to bother about, I don't have this product, I don't have this product. The products are right there with your drop shipping company and you will earn anytime you have a client that purchases from your store. If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, do not forget to go down to the comment section and drop an amazing comment for me and the thumbs up so that I will know that I am sharing something valuable with you all. Thank you all for watching till this end, and do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on other videos on how you can earn money from the online space. Love you all and see you on our next video. Bye-bye.